Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's all about opening glam bags, free makeup baskets from Shoppers Drug Mart, and about opening FitFun boxes. So today is the day when I'm gonna open up two Ipsy Glam bags from these two beautiful envelopes. It's gonna be April glam bag and May glam bag, and I will compare which one I like more, give you my comments about the products that I received. A little bit about the Ipsy Glam bag. It's a bag where you get 5 products. It's a mixture of regular size products and testers. I like tester sizes too because if I travel, I have already made travel size products for everything, basically, from cleaning my skin, for makeup, and it's just amazing. It's gonna fit any bag. Here's the April glam bag, here's the May glam bag, so you'll see two beautiful designs. Inside the bag you're gonna find usually card where it usually says what's that bag about and why specifically they choose, for example, this beautiful design for April glam bag, for example. So they call it Social Butterfly for April. Fact, life is too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. So instead we challenge you to be yourself, best yourself, have your best spring, and say yes to everything that comes your way. So that's the bag. Let's open it up. So first is brush. You can see it over here. I mentioned before on my videos that I have so many brushes already, so I don't need a lot. My personal preference was Ipsy to send me, for example, brush not for eyeshadow, not for face, but for lips and eyebrows, but still I didn't receive it yet, so that's the brush for the month of April. Second is Girl Power Moisturizing Lipstick. Let's open it up to see and what kind of shade it is, which shade they chose for me. That's how it looked like outside the box. And that's the, okay, it's like a sample, I believe. So you can see the shade, you can see the design. And let's apply it over here. So you can see here the color. So pretty nice color, not bright, more like, I would say, to make like a nude lips or something like that. And the texture is really nice, smooth. So that's a sample of lip color, I mean moisturizing lipstick. Oh, okay. So next one is Starstruck, which is eyeliner. Starstruck eyeliner. So you can see it over here. Again, I will incorporate more eyeliners in my daily routine. For now I'm not using any, but that's my next goal. So if you have any good tips and tricks, please share it with me in the comments below. Next one is Truffle Cosmetics Sugar Bunny Heavenly Lip Scrub. Look at the design. Very cute, very beautiful. So this is lip scrub, which is really good, and I'm planning to use it. Next, something really big. It's Pore Tightening Pearl Clay Mask. Look at that size, so you can tell that's the real size probably of the product. Yeah, clay mask which you're gonna apply, and I believe that's it. So all 5 products. So for April glam bag we have pearl clay mask, moisturizing lipstick, lip scrub, eyeliner, and the brush. So far so good. Not so excited, but yeah, it's a good bag. Let's compare with May bags. So May bag design is like your travel passport. Look at that, all the stamps, really beautiful. And other side is bright orange. Let's see what this one's about. Again, card inside. The topic of the month, go there. This month, May, Ipsy promoting as go there. It means go and explore the world. Don't sit home, and I totally agree. We need to be more brave and more adventurous to explore outside our comfort zone. So here's the real size product first. So I can tell you by actually weight, I think here in the May Glam bag it's gonna be more real size, regular size products than testers. So first one is Deep Skin Cleanser. Deep Skin Cleanser. And Meet Mud, your skin's new best friend. Dead Sea Mud Mask. So again, I have mud mask. In April I have clay pearl mask, which you're gonna think like how you're gonna use so many masks in a couple of months. Yeah. Again, really nice to try, but I think 2 masks in a row in 2 glam bags, it's not good. Next one, again, really big. You can see it over here. It's Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips and nails. Very weird how you can combine skin, lips and nails. Let's see. It's formulated to repair and protect sensitive skin. I don't know how you're gonna apply this balm to your nails. I don't know. Skin, lips, I understand, but to give glow to your nails, I don't think so. It's gonna be applicable. Okay, next one. I think it's sample. Style Sepia French Cotton Gel Liner with diamond. With diamond. What's that? Oh, look at that. You can see. And let's see the color. Oh, okay. It's like brown color. You can see it right here. So it's like liner, I believe. Okay. Yeah, gel liner. Very nice to see something different. And again, liner in one bag, liner in another bag. Okay, Tarte. They have lots of products from Tarte, and I haven't liked it, you know. What's that? It's Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. Finishing powder, that's perfect. That's what I wanted for a while. So that's just 100% hit, you know, for me, for my for what I actually need. Perfect. And last one is really big, nail polish. Again, from time to time you get nail polish. So here it is again, and it's Corky Professional nail polish. Let's see in which nice shade I got it. This is actually a new brand, and look at the design of the bottle. It's very cute, and it's actually really similar to the nail polish that I'm wearing now. Really similar, maybe a bit lighter, but you can see it. So you can see it. Perfect shade, what I like, and for everyday use, and you know, not so bright, so that's hit for sure. So compared to bags, I can tell you that In April Glam bag there is more samples than regular size products. In May bag there is more regular size product than samples. So in terms of value, I would prefer May Glam bag. In terms of contents, right? Let's go through that. Mask in April, lip scrub, lipstick, brush, eyeliner, and brush and eyeliner. That's it. So out of them, mask is good, lipstick good, very good, lip scrub, yes, definitely, eyeliner, yeah, why not to try something new. I would say 3 out of 4, I mean 4 products out of 5. Here, a nail polish for me, liner, finishing powder, balm for skin, lips and nails, and mud mask. Again, mud mask is what I'm probably gonna use. Yeah, finishing powder definitely, liner and lip nail. But for glow balm, not so interested. But again, it's one product out like on a previous bag, so it's gonna be again 4 out of 5. In terms of preference, even within those 4 products that I got, that I loved in both, I think I would more prefer Maybach. I think Maybach for me is more interesting and gives me more variety, and they send me this in this bag more products that I'm gonna try first time, like finishing powder and nail polish in really good color and new, absolutely new brand for me. And yeah, I think I prefer more May Glam bag, but you know, overall I like both. And designs, I love both. How they look, I love both. They both pretty good and nice, you know, and exciting to have. So definitely, maybe I would say that those 2 bags much better than my previous packs before. Maybe they're more reviewing what I say about my own preferences. Anyways, please share your comments. Please let me know which glam bag you liked more, for May or for April. And I'll see you next time. Bye!